Hello all, welcome to Bona Dea Fashions. In this video, we are going through the most demanded and restocked collection of semi-soft silk sarees. All these collections are light in weight, soft in nature and comfortable to drape for any kind of occasions. And about the design, beautiful zari weaving buttas are there running throughout the body along with a contrast rich pallu with a contrast plain blouse. Zari weaving symmetrical borders enhancing the elegance of this collection, and these vibrant collections you are getting in an offer price of 700 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamilnadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Kindly avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. Also, if you guys wanted our quicker and regular updates, you can join our WhatsApp groups. For getting the group links, just send a hi to the WhatsApp number, and also the links are there given in the description. Thank you for your consistent support. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Once again, thank you for watching.